welcome back. Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money. Man, you guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, I need you guys to come check this one out again. This one was associated with the Streamcoin that I just dropped the video on. I still tapped in. The community reached out to me. I actually have a lot of people asking me about this one and saying that this one's going to be fire. Go check out the Streamcoin video that I just dropped. But they let me know that it's pronounced MeiTalk. Okay, so now we know how it's pronounced, and also they sent me this link to this website that lets me know that they're way ahead of schedule. Okay, they already have this website up. This one's MeiTalk.tv. I'm gonna have all the official links down below, but we're gonna go over this page very quick and just bring some more awareness because you know it's something that I do already, so it's something that I definitely want to get tapped into. We got welcome to MeiTalk. Okay, we got hot videos on demand. So Streamcoin, remember the one I just mentioned, Streamcoin, first ever MeiTalk stream. So this is gonna be the first one ever. We have the update, right? Ask me anything. So at AMA with Streamcoins, I'm assuming the CEO, and then we're gonna have the weekly best. But of course, has not came out yet. We have monthly best. So this is some pretty epic things that we have to look forward to right here. And we have let's click on it. I think some of these did actually happen if I'm correct. Okay, so these are actually working. So this is pretty epic actually. Man, shout out to the team and shout out to everybody. I'm not going to play this. I don't want no copyright issues. I want you guys to come check this out. So they already got this up and going. This is something to be very, very excited about, especially if you're part of this community. I need you guys to load up the comments down below, smash the like button, and let's get some awareness on this product that you guys got. And maybe in the future, we can do something together because this is something that I do on a daily basis. As you guys can see, I got over 700 videos, and this is something that I'm interested in. Congratulations on the project, and also, you know, fulfilling what you guys said you were going to do. I always talk about projects, you know, talk is cheap, say what you mean what you say, and they're definitely doing that. So we're going to bring more to you guys. I just want to bring some awareness and actually fix the pronunciation on this and just show you guys that they're really on the ball when it comes to this one. And we're going to keep a close eye on this one when it comes to Streamcoin and MeiTalk in general. Okay, so continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.